you want to know the secret on how to farm on Clipclaps. First things first, you gotta open Play Store, or if you're an iOS or iPhone user, you can search Auto Clicker. Okay, then the top, this first app on top, as you can see, it's already been installed. You install it, then after you install it, you can use it here. This is it. Then follow my instructions carefully, guys, since this is the only way you can farm chests easier than anything. Just follow everything, enable it, single target mode enabled. See, there is an icon here that you can follow. Then open Clipclaps, guys, open Clipclaps here. Then videos. Oh, okay. Let's find a shorter video so you can see. Look at the chest below. The timer is counting, right? It's counting very slow, but since we have this app, let's try it. Okay, let's play it. Look at the timer below. It's counting very fast now. That's how you farm Clipclap chest. It's very fast, guys. It's very easy, efficient, and you can farm very easy every day. Just leave your phone for like, I think 20 minutes, then you're done. You get 25 chests a day. So guys, please use my code. Scan here, scan this, so you can redeem $1 and a diamond chest for free. And if you like the video and you want here's the redeem button, and here just type the code. You can check it on the link below, or you can just scan the QR code. That's all. And yeah, that's the easiest way to farm chests. Oh yeah, by the way, I forgot to say, if you want to add me on Clipclap, here's my code, or on the screen you can see this number. It's just the same. Even on games, if you want to add me on aquarium, so let's help each other out, guys. This is my aquarium. Here also you can earn money here from this game. It's very easy, and it's the best game here in Clipclaps to earn coins. Yeah, all you gotta do is just feed your fishes, and they will grow and earn. You can earn coins from there by selling them. See, 3,000 coins, 900 coins. That's all you do. And now I know my